This lesson is on adding 3 two-digit numbers. When we're adding 3 two-digit numbers, it's important to start in the ones place. I'm going to draw a line down the middle to differentiate between the ones place and the tens place. The other important thing to remember when you're adding 3 different numbers is to start with the biggest number, then add the next biggest number, then add your last number. So in 1 plus 5 plus 4, 5 is the biggest number, so we'll add on 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more makes 10. Now, since 10 is 10 or more, we know if we have 10 or more, we need to regroup. We'll put our 10 over here and our 0, 1s down here. Let's go to the tens place now and add. Well, another thing you can do besides we're starting with the biggest number and then going to the next biggest number and then doing the next biggest number is to group numbers together that you quickly know the answer. Well, I know that 5 plus 5 is 10. Now I'm going to add 4 more, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and let's not forget our 1 at the top is 15. So our answer is 150. Let's look at another problem. Again, I'm going to draw a line down the middle to differentiate between the ones and the tens. Now, I'm going to start here. Like I said, if you know the answer to 2 numbers quickly, you don't necessarily need to start with the biggest one and then the next biggest and then finally the least biggest. I know that 9 plus 1 is 10. Now, if I add 4 more, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I know my answer is 14. We're going to regroup our 10 here, our 4 ones down here, and we're going to add up the 10 side. I know that 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9, plus 1 more is 10. Our answer is 104. Let's look at another problem. Draw our line down the middle, so we start in the ones place. I know that 7 plus 3 is 10. I'm going to add 4 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Put our 10 over here, and our 4 ones down here. Well, I don't know the answer to 7 plus 5, so I'm going to add it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's add 4 more. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And the 1 more at the top makes 17. So our answer is 174. Let's look at another problem. I'm not going to draw the line this time, but we do know we're going to start in the ones place. Well, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. Our answer is 64. Let's look at this problem. Well, I know that 6 plus 4 is 10, and I need to count up 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Put our 10 here, and our 5 ones here. I know that 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, plus the 1 at the top makes 16. Our answer is 165. Let's look at one more. Well, I know that 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 more makes 9. I know that 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 4 more is 14. So our answer is 149. That concludes our lesson today on adding 3 two-digit numbers.